Good evening, guys, and welcome back to the Indra Channel. Hi. So in today's video, we're just me, Albo, and Albo's girlfriend, and my best friend, Nico-chan. Okay, she's not in the mood to talk, but today we're going camping at Seishore Beach, which is real awesome because we're supposed to go to a river down at Touge, but it was shut down because of Corona. So today is the only best open air area I could find. So yeah, as you can see, such a nice weather. That's the river, that's the ocean right there, and you know we got families here. We got a lot of families camping on that side too. Everyone is of course protecting the minimum social distance. Everyone's wearing masks, so it's pretty okay, I think. And it's open air, so they can't get us here probably. So yeah, enjoy the view. Someone's singing. Yeah, this is my house, my hotel. It's a good hotel. It's got my sleeping bag, my nice little futon here, just like 40 ringgit, 30 around there probably. Sleeping bag, Coleman, wild, whatever this is, tent. So one touch tent, so it's pretty easy to set up, and it's pretty awesome. Chairs, it's from my company, the workplace I work with, and we have a really sad barbecue, but it'll do.
I think they're.
So what's for dinner, Albo?
So for dinner we have some yakitori, we have some steak. No pork.
Yay! No pork. Best words ever.
Yep. Which you know, because it's June.
Yeah.
June. You know, it's quite busy. This is summer vacation.
Yep. So everyone's packed and everyone's going somewhere. Yeah. A lot of groups. It's a lot of cars too. But we just made it. Look at the sunset. And there's a new UFO up there, if you don't can see. Yes, it's still there. Like, boop, boop. Yeah. Meteor. Make a wish. Man, I love my house. Look at that. Close this. Let the insects go in. Real men don't wear gloves. And you're dark enough as it is. So we just had dinner. 7:15, so it's nice time for dinner. We got chicken. Nico-chan's got her own chicken. You know, Kanako-san wouldn't cook for me, so we gotta cook it ourselves.
Yeah. Just heat up again.
Yeah. No. We made this chicken. Okay, we did not heat this up. No, this is homemade supermarket chicken.
This is a cooked Nico-chan's chicken.
Yeah, she made that for her dog, and you know. We gonna bought it from the supermarket, so such a good time. This chicken.
Chicken party.
That's the moon. Chicken party. Yeah. Albo's moving his tent right now. The sun just set. Oh. Makan dulu. Oh no! Just in time for dinner.
Man, that looks so good.
It looks so good, right? The whole vibe is awesome.
The guitar.
Yeah, the electronic guitar. So we got rice, we got meat, we got bell peppers, and we have a lot more stuff in our kitchen. There's a kitchen, this is a dining area, and the vibe area, and that's my house.
Hotel.
This hotel, yeah. One night, 5,000 yen. And that's his tent. There it is. That's my car.
Dude, this is awesome.
Right? hormones. Morning, guys. It's an awesome night, and we just made it in time for the sunrise. More like I was awakened very abruptly by Albo to look at the sunlight. It's currently what time is it? 4:52. It's close to 5 a.m. and the sun's just slowly rising right now. So, and everyone's out catching the sun. Pretty epic barbecue, too. Oh my god! Pretty epic barbecue to end it with a pretty awesome sunrise. So, yeah, it was an epic night. So we should just start a small fire to make some coffee. It's a baby fire compared to the fire we had last night.
Yeah, but it's a cooking fire, not a
Yeah, it's true.
campfire.
Madada, yo. Mada. This is how you make hot coffee.
Did you just buy that? You're gonna melt it.
This is from last night. Nothing like hot coffee in the morning.
Working hard for your coffee.
Working hard for your coffee. Oh, she had the bottle. Come on, bro, work harder for the fire. Oh. Riku-chan. Kawaii. That's cute.
Is that a rabbit?
It's a rabbit.
Is that a rabbit over there?
Chicken nugget with tomato sauce.
Double standards.
It's delicious.
So what's for breakfast, Albo? Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled egg and nuggets.
Chicken nuggets from McDonald's and barbecue
It's like a real nugget.
Oh man. Cook yourself, man. Just hide the sauce. Oh god, that's good stuff.
Nugget.
So we just packed up and we're gonna leave soon. So yeah, thanks for joining us for this trip. first time camping out in Japan, to be honest, in my experience, and it's pretty fun compared to a nice hotel. And found a really cool tent, cheap one compared to his one, but you know, mine was way easier to clean up. This one touch, literally.
Yeah, but
Right.
I'm far away from predators and things in the ground that can kill you.
That's true. I put salt around the tent, so no snakes.
That works too.
Yeah.
Just sprinkle some garlic salt, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's good.
Yeah, so I end the video here. Thank you so much for
Please
joining.
subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to his channel, Albo Media, and
Help me
subscribe
out.
to my channel.
Give me a few more subs.
I need 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, it's a bit different from what we've been doing so far, all the racing and all the driving videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like and subscribe if you want more of these stuff.
Buy
So,
Albo Racing merch. Albo Racing merch.
so yeah, guys, thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.